You will never be brave if you don't get hurt. You will never learn if you don't make mistakes. You will never be successful if you don't encounter failure. If you want to know someone's mind, listen to their words. If you want to know someone's heart, watch their actions. The only difference between a good day and a bad day is your attitude. Overthinking is the biggest cause of our unhappiness. Keep yourself occupied. Keep your mind off things that don't help you. Locks are never manufactured without a key. Similarly, Allah never gives problems without solutions. Only we need to have patience to unlock them. The biggest difference between money and time is that you always know how much money you have, but you never know how much time you have. Mistakes are painful, but as time goes by, it becomes a collection of experience called lessons. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Your life isn't yours if you always care what others think.